So this is gonna be my new place for my work business, and I'm so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, not welcome back. I'm gonna tie this whole video into one, kind of. From the last video you did see that I just got my new place to work for my business. I'm so excited. I'm so blessed and happy. I'll be moving in June 1st. That's literally in like 2 weeks. But I kind of just decided that I'm just gonna move in with what I have. Little by little, everything is gonna, like, you know, come into hand. And yeah guys, I'll see you on my next, whenever I come back, probably in like 2 months, because I'm a procrastinator. So here's my little place. It's not completely done, but we all have to start somewhere. Thank you for helping me. He built that, him and my dad.
I love you.
But everything is still needing a lot of detail. I look like a bum, but there's still gonna be more things. Hello guys, I totally forgot to close out the video. I kid you not, that day I moved in, I was so tired. We were all tired, and it was just like we were doing so many things. Friday I was busy. Saturday we were, like, you know, busy. We stayed up late, and then the next day we woke up early to go to Ikea, and then we came back. You know, thankfully we didn't have work or school on Monday, but it's just like we were out and about the last couple of 3 days, so it was just so tiring, and I totally forgot to film the after or film more. But so I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos, kind of like just touring the place, but also showing you guys what I use, showing you guys what I bought, and all of that good stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.